Chiang should be pronounced Chang. Chang. It is not Chang. Chang. Chiang is actually outdated Chinese. It is based on the Wade-Giles system. The correct pronunciation in Chinese is jiang, 戒, 时, or Chiang Kai Shek. 蒋介石. The Hanyu pinyin is 蒋 third tone, 介 fourth tone, and 时 second tone. The old Chinese system is based on what's called Wade-Giles system. It has been replaced by pinyin. Chang, 蒋 Chang. This is based on the Wade-Giles system is zhang. Zhang. The pinyin system is zhang, zhang, and jiang, jiang, and zhang. This is a story of the Chinese D-Day of sort. April 20th, 1949, the entire Yangtze River was crossed by boats on one day, and Chiang Kai Shek have to abandon the entire mainland China and go to Taiwan. Thank you.